Hello everyone, welcome back to the Linux for Cybersecurity series. And in the part 6, we are going to cover bash scripting for cybersecurity. So imagine scanning an entire network, analyzing logs, or detecting brute force attack, all with just a single command. Crazy, right? Well, that's the power of bash scripting. Today we are going to unlock how to use bash for cybersecurity automation, and trust me, once you learn this, you will never look at the Linux terminal the same way again. So what we are going to cover in this video, we are going to cover why bash scripting matters in cybersecurity, writing your first script, variables and arguments, loop for automation, conditional logic, if statement, combining tools in a script, and cybersecurity context. Let's jump on the first one, why bash scripting matters in cybersecurity. So, in cybersecurity, repetitive tasks are everywhere, running scans, digging through logs, creating reports, doing it all manually. That's boring and slow. Instead of typing the same command of 100 times, we automate with scripts. So, think about it. Attackers automate their task. They are not sitting there typing one password at a time. In a brute force attack, no, it's automated. So if defender don't automate, we will always be one step behind. Bash scripting gives us the power to fight back. So let's get our hands dirty, open up Nano, or if you like BIM. So here we go. I'm opening Nano text editor. Nano. Then I'm giving the script name hello.sh and enter. So you can see I have a text editor now, and then I'm going to type bin bash and then echo hello cyber security word posec. Type X and then save and enter. So now the hello.sh got saved. Now let's change the permission chmod plus x then hello.sh, and now the permission change. So let's execute the first command. So here you can see I just ran the script, and now I have the text which I saved here, hello cybersecurity word infosec pande here. So boom, you have your first script is alive. So every script start with that cbang line, the has, then exclamatory mark, then bin and bash. So this tells Linux to use bash. So if you don't include this line, your machine or Linux will not understand you're writing a bash script. So after that, it is just staking commands in order, easy, right? And the next segmentation, we have variables and arguments. So variable are like boxes where you store information like a equal to 10. So in bash, you don't need to declare type, just assign values. So now let's make it smarter. Create a new script called scan.sh. Scan.sh, where we are going to include the nmap. All right, so let's open the nano scan.sh. So here I'm going to include the line bin bash, then name equal to $1, echo scanning host and dollar name and nmap name. So now let's run this. So you can see the scanning host started, the nmap started by running this script. So this is how we can automate the task. And now let's talk about the arguments. So these are the values you pass when you run your script. So here $1 is the first argument passed to the script. So run it like this. Just include the script and then 192.168.1.10 and run. So this is starting the nmap and going to scan the host. So you can see the nmap is completed here. And just like that, you have automated an nmap service scan against a host. So the magic here is $1. It grab the first argument you pass when running the script. It is simple but so powerful. Next one is loop or automation. So ever get tired of running the same command over and over? So bash loops are here to save your sanity. With loops, one line of code can do the work of hundreds. So let's dive in. So loops in bash lets you repeat tasks automatically, perfect for automation, monitoring, or just saving time. First up, the for loop. So for loop. So for loop is great when you know the list of the things you want to go through. So let's go to hands-on. For.sh and let's write our bin bash, then for ip in 192.168.1 dot. So here I know the list and going to scan the ip from 1 to 5 and then do echo pinging ip, then ping, then also we are going to grep bytes from and done. So this is a simple script I have written. So this will ping the range of 192.168.1.1 through 1. And it is going to print which hosts are alive. Instant mini network discovery, no fancy tool required. So let's save it. Chmod plus x for.sh and then let's run it. So you can see the script started and started pinging to the first host and it is going to ping for all the host. So it is pinging the host. Let's jump on the next one, while loop. So this keeps running as long as condition is true. So let's type nano while.sh and include has bin bash and then count equal to 1 while dollar count and then do echo count is a count, and count plus plus. Done. X Y save and then chmod plus X while.sh. Let's run. So you can see the condition is true. Count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is running the while loop. So hands-on automation example. Let's do another automation. Let's automate something real, pinging multiple servers. So let's create another script here. So type nano ping.sh, and then we are going to use the server list here, the variables. So first we are going to declare the variable. So equal to google.com, then yahoo.com, then bing.com. So we have included the multiple server here, and do ping hyphen c one site and dev null if dollar equal to eq0 site is up, else echo site is down. Done. Okay, so let's save it and let's do the chmod ping.sh. Why now let's run it again, and boom, google.com is up, yahoo is up, and bing.com is up. So that's the bash loop, your automation power tool. Whether it is processing file, monitoring server, or doing bulk operations, loops are your best friend. So that's the variable and argument in bash. While just these two concepts, you can make your script dynamic, flexible, and way more powerful. So we have done the logic of if condition. Now let's combine all the tools and crank it up. Bash script in science when you combine Linux tools. So let's jump on the hands-on. So let's write grep, failed password, log file, awk, print, sort, unique. You can see sort. All right, let's give some ch mode and let's run it. So this script doesn't came with any result, but this is how we can write the tool and combine the tool. So this one liner extract the top IP attempt failed login. In other word, instant brute force attack. So no giant sim, just bias and some creativity. So currently I do not have any login attempt from any IP address. So we have completed the segment 6, the cybersecurity context. So here is where it is really clicks in real world. So if you're in red team, if you're in red team, they script custom exploit and payload. And if you're in blue team, so blue team automate log analysis and reporting. And if you're a pen tester, so pen tester automate scanning with nmap, nicto, you name it. And if you're in soc team, they drop a script into cron job, so they run automatically every few minutes. And bash scripting is the glue that ties all these linux tool into real world cybersecurity workflow. So today you have learned how to build bash script with variables, arguments, loop, condition, and tool combination. So basically, turning Linux command into cybersecurity automation is a weapon. And remember, best defender or not, the fastest typers, they are the best automators. So keep scripting, keep automating, and keep defending smarter. So in part 7, we will dive into Linux tool for cybersecurity, Nmap, Ncat, John and Reaper, and more. Basically, the hacker's toolbox you need to master. So if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much.